Do you ever wonder what small things the ultra-successful do each day that most people don't? In this video, we will share the top 5 repeatable habits you can implement right now to unlock your true potential faster. Just one tweak can transform your finances and life radically. Kicking off the list. Habit number 1. Mastering extreme focus and priority setting. Billionaire Warren Buffett spends 80% of his time focused on his top 1 to 3 priorities daily. Be ruthless, blocking distractions and trivial tasks on your freedom mission. Take back your power of choice. Imagine stepping into a car showroom with a wad of cash, an assertive salesperson, and no clear idea of the type of car you want. Will you end up with the car that's truly best for you, or the one the salesperson nudges you toward? Without a plan to anchor your decision-making, you're merely reacting to tasks that others place on your plate. Instead, commit to actively choosing how to spend your energy and time. Every time you think, "I have to," reframe it as, "I choose to." This shift in language reminds us that we are making choices, empowering us to make different, intentional decisions. Narrow your focus. Successful people recognize that only a few things truly matter. They do less but do it better. They can discern the vital few from the trivial many. Ruthlessly prioritize your most important work by saying no to the rest. At the start of each week and day, ask yourself, is this the right thing for me? Can I uniquely provide value? Is it the right time to tackle this task? Does it need immediate attention? Am I doing it for the right reasons? Is it an enthusiastic choice? Which tasks, if done first, make other items easier or unnecessary? Break down tasks. Managing priorities becomes more manageable when you break down tasks into smaller subtasks. Allocate just 15 minutes each day to work on an assignment. Over time, this consistent effort will lead to progress and help you complete the task as a whole. Set priorities that reflect your goals. Create a mental picture of what you want to achieve in life. Schedule your tasks to align with that vision. By doing so, your priorities will naturally reflect your goals, keeping you focused and on track. Remember, mastering focus and prioritization is an ongoing journey. Choose wisely, stay intentional, and let your priorities guide you toward meaningful impact. Be ruthless, blocking distractions and trivial tasks on your freedom mission. Next in line. Habit number 2. Never stop learning. Picture a grand library, its shelves stretching into infinity. Each book holds a nugget of wisdom, a key to unlock abundance. But here's the twist. The millionaires aren't stacking gold bars. They're stacking knowledge. Education is power when aiming for big money. Millionaires obsessively learn new skills to stay ahead. Look at Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. Despite dropping out of Harvard, Gates is known for his voracious appetite for books, often reading a book a week. He reads over 50 books a year, equating reading to success. Warren Buffett spends from 6 to 8 hours daily reading 5 newspapers and company reports to get smarter. Knowledge expands your thinking, abilities and vision. Learning lets you virtually sit at the feet of the wisest experts worldwide through books, courses and podcasts. Apply new insights immediately to grow income streams, invest better or launch businesses. Highly paid fields like software development change fast. Lifelong learning prevents falling behind. Whether reading biographies of icons like Steve Jobs or studying crypto, make time to level up your knowledge across topics. Expanding your mind literally expands your wealth potential. The size of your library directly relates to the size of your net worth. Following millionaires' obsession with learning can unlock riches for us too. Knowledge is power. Habit number 3. Take risks. Calculated risks separate the millionaires from the rest. Reward comes to those bold enough to pursue opportunity despite uncertainty. Look at Elon Musk risking his fortune to start SpaceX. It could have failed but is now worth billions. Bill Gates dropped out of Harvard to start Microsoft, which was incredibly risky. Sarah Blakely put $5,000 on credit cards to develop Spanx shapewear before it made her a billionaire. Early crypto investors like the Winklevoss twins took risks that massively paid off. Risks must be carefully weighed, not pure gambles. But playing too safe limits potential. Stepping outside comfort zones helps us grow capabilities and characters. Start with smaller risks like taking a challenging new job, investing some savings in stocks, or moonlighting on a side business idea. As skills improve, carefully expand risks for bigger wins. Life rewards the bold who act despite fear of failure. Every mistake and setback builds wisdom for future reward. Eventually risks feel less scary. With the right mindset, a bit of risk goes a very long way. The biggest risk is taking none. Alright, I'm curious. Which habit so far resonates most with your current situation? Let me know in the comments. Habit number 4, delaying gratification. Living prudently below your means frees up capital to invest. Compounding works miracles long term. The coffee dilemma. Imagine you're craving a fancy coffee. You can either buy it now and enjoy the instant caffeine buzz, or you can save that money. If you delay the gratification and skip the coffee today, you'll have more cash to treat yourself to something even better, a weekend getaway or a new gadget. Fitness goals. You hit the gym. The treadmill mocks you. You could stop after 10 minutes and feel that immediate relief. But wait, if you push through, sweat a little more, and stick to your workout plan, you'll see long-term results. A healthier you, more energy, and maybe even those abs you've been dreaming of. Career moves. You're in a job you don't love. The easy path is to stay put, collect your paycheck, and complain. But what if you delay the gratification? Invest time in learning new skills, networking, and applying for better opportunities. Eventually, you'll land that dream job or start your own successful venture. Remember, delayed gratification isn't about denying yourself joy forever. It's about choosing wisely, sacrificing a little now for a lot more later. So, be patient, squirrel away those acorns, and watch your tree of wealth grow. Finally, habit number 5, persistence, is the quiet hero of achievement. It's the marathon runner who doesn't sprint but keeps putting one foot in front of the other. Persist through obstacles. Swing again after each miss. Just like the world's most successful millionaires. Take Steve Jobs, for instance. He was fired from his own company, Apple, only to return years later and revolutionize the tech industry. Or consider Walt Disney, who faced multiple bankruptcies before Disneyland became a reality. It's a tough journey to the top, filled with countless obstacles, but remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Success isn't about never falling, it's about getting up every time you do. So, keep pushing, keep striving, and most importantly, keep believing. There you have it, the top 5 wealth-accelerating habits used by the most successful to accomplish their epic goals through focused consistency over decades. Now, by implementing even just one of these habits earnestly starting today, you put yourself on the millionaire trajectory. Tiny gains compound over years into phenomenal results. I hope this video gave you fresh perspectives and actionable principles to unlock your true potential faster. Let the greatness within you emerge. Before you go, please take a second to hit the like button if you gained value from this. And click subscribe to join our supportive community for more motivational ideas and unconventional wisdom nuggets. You have incredible gifts to share with the world. Believe in yourself, your time is now. Feel free to leave any last comments or questions below. Until next time, my friends, keep daring mighty things. The only limits are those we impose on ourselves. You've got this.